Welcome everyone. So let's start with concept of normal and abnormal behavior. So let's start. Psychiatric as evidence from above is concerned with abnormal behavior in its broadest sense, but defining the concept of normal and abnormal behavior as such has been found to be difficult. These concepts are much under the influence of social cultural factors. So the psychiatry is there, no? It will focus on abnormal behavior, but defining what is normal and abnormal is difficult, right? So because of this concept, they will focus heavily or they will be influenced heavily by the social cultural factors. So there are several models which explain the normal and abnormal behavior. So let's see them. So first is medical model, second is statistical model, third is social cultural model, and fourth is behavioral model. So first one is medical model. So medical model consider organic pathology is the definite cause for mental disorders. So this medical model it will focus on organic pathology and it will consider it as the main cause for the mental disorder. So according to this model, abnormal people are the one who have disturbance in thoughts, perceptions and psychomotor activities. So according to this model, the abnormal behavior person will be there. He will be having disturbances in his brain, okay, like he is not able to perceive anything or perform any activities. If he performs any activities it will be in an abnormal way. So the normal are the ones who are free from this disturbance. So the people who are free from this disturbance, right, they are having normal behavior. Like the mentally healthy person, he will be free from this disturbances, right? Next is statistical model. It involves the analysis of response on a test, on a questionnaires or observations of some particular behavior variables. The degree of deviations from standard norms arrived at statistically characterizes the degree of abnormalities. So, this statistical model it uses tests and observations to analyze behavioral patterns. If there is any deviation in statistical norms, then the behavior is abnormal. If there is no deviations no in the statistical norms, then the behavior is normal. So next is social cultural model. The belief norm, taboos and values of a society has to be accepted and adopted by individual. Breaking any of this would be considered abnormal. Normalcy is defined in context with social law prescribed by the culture. First, cultural background has to be taken into account when distinguishing between normal and abnormal behavior. So, behavior is just based on society norms, beliefs, and values. If there is any violation in this, then the behavior will be considered as abnormal behavior. If there is no violation in this all, then the behavior is normal behavior. Okay, according to this social cultural model. So, behavioral model. So, behavior that is adaptive is normal, maladaptive is abnormal. Abnormal behavior is a set of the faulty behavior acquired through learning. So, the behavior like adaptive behavior will be there, that will be the normal behavior, means the person is normal. And maladaptive behavior, like if a person is not able to adjust in something, then that behavior will be abnormal behaviors. Okay, and this abnormal behavior is there, no, it is the faulty behavior and it will be acquired through learning. So this all are the models. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.